With our multiline configurator you can easily assemble your individual multiline coupling. The Eisele MULTILINE is a flexible and user-friendly modular system for multiple and multimedia couplings, which combines several tube connections and operating media in one coupling. Start by opening the configurator and selecting the multiline components you need in just a few steps. In the first step you select the type of multiple coupling. We start with the configuration of a standard multiple coupling made of aluminum, which is used for quick coupling of several pneumatic tubes of the same size. Next, we simulate the configuration of a modular multiple coupling. This is an individually configurable coupling for quick coupling of different media. In the second step, select the coupling type. These differ with regard to the shutoff as well as the coatability. In step 3, the tube size is determined. Please note the instructions for the following selection of the number of tubes. The next step of the configuration is to select the number of tubes. You select the coupling side in the fifth step. In the last step of the configuration of a standard multiple coupling, you can decide on any required accessories for the plug or socket side. We offer mounting brackets for the socket side and tube bundles for the plug side. After the configuration, you will see a summary and overview in your shopping cart to complete the request. Information in this regard is made in the video after the configuration of the modular multiple coupling. By clicking on Back in the header you can jump back to previous selection steps. In addition, there is a Contact button in the middle in case you have any questions. It is also possible to restart the configuration. There is a button for this in the header on the right. If in the first step the choice falls on a multiple coupling of the modular type for different media, we would now like to present you the configuration of this coupling. At the beginning, the multiple coupling type is selected. There are 5 coupling types to choose from, which differ in terms of media, body material, design and number of adaptive inserts. This information can be found under the respective picture of the different multiple couplings. For a quick selection, use the filter option. For example, if you need a coupling for conducting cooling water and electricity, power, after using the filter, only couplings suitable for these media will be displayed. In this case, you would continue with the configuration of the MULTILINE 1862. In the third step, select the bore types of the adaptive inserts. Please note the properties of the respective bore types. This influences the number of adaptive inserts, tube size, etc. to be selected later. Please select the number of adaptive inserts in the next step. In step 5, the coupling side can be selected. Any accessories required for the plug or socket side are configured in the next steps. In the last step, you equip the coupling with suitable adaptive inserts. To do this, select between, with shut-off, without shut-off, drip-free, electrical M12, or electrical M12 power, and possible inserts will be displayed. A filter makes it easier for you to select the available inserts. Click on one of the displayed adaptive inserts to insert it into the body. You can then insert the same adaptive insert several times by clicking on the plus sign. If you want to select another insert, you can delete it by clicking on the trash can. You can select a maximum of as many inserts as there are bores on the selected multiline size. Once you have selected all the inserts for your multiline, click on the Next button below your selection on the right. At the end of the standard and modular multiline selection steps, you will receive a summary and overview of your multiline selection. In the overview, you can make changes by clicking on the respective step. In the shopping cart you will see all selected products. There you will also find the respective dimension sheet and further documents such as assembly instructions. The number of configuration can be changed separately for the socket and plug side on the right side. If you are satisfied with the overview and the shopping cart, click on Next. Finally, we need your contact details. Please enter your customer number if you are already a customer of Eisele. This saves you having to enter the company data. You can now send us a non-binding product inquiry and you will receive a quote from us as soon as possible. Please note that this is not an order. You are only initiating an inquiry. We hope you were able to configure a suitable coupling according to your requirements. If you have any questions or special solutions, please do not hesitate to contact us.